Alright, at this time, we'll explore how to edit the inventory functionality here sa QB desktop. So you go to edit menu and then click on preferences, and then here are several selections like from accounting down to time and expenses, but at this point I'd like you to focus on items and inventory, and then you click this one. Hold on, preferences, items, inventory, you click on company preferences. So ito, i-click mo siya, inventory and purchase order active, warn about duplicate purchase order numbers. This one, meron naman tayong advanced inventory setting. So we'll activate here ano yung gusto mong method. In inventory, we have FIFO, first in, first out, may LIFO, last in, first out, may averaging. The very common is FIFO and averaging. So here, and one thing more, halimbawa, you're operating several or you're keeping your inventories to different sites. In QB desktop, if you will click this one, it will enable you to identify ano yung mga inventory sites nyo. Pwede kasing, you can put here, sa drop down, you can add there. Like for example, you can say, inventory site A, diba? Okay? And then, continue, when you continue. So, another is, pwede ka rin magdagdag pa ulit na another inventory site B. If you have questions regarding ano ba yun, just have to click this one, how do I use inventory sites. There's a more thorough discussion, but if you're so excited to understand how it works, andito naman siya sa help button. So yun. But what I'd like to highlight here is yung FIFO there. So, once you click nga pala the inventory, multiple inventory site, of course, later you'll click OK. Here, if you're more particular into identifying mga serial numbers, this is very particular. Kunwari, syempre, may unique, diba? Each inventory has unique serial numbers. And it is also one way for you to identify if there any missing inventory item by looking into this may reports dito na kunwari ipapopulate mo yung inventory mo and its respective serial numbers, you'll be able to identify ano yung mga nawawala. So, ito rin, may selections. So, if serial number is blank, i-warrant ka ba or anong action item yung lagay mo rito. It depends kung ano i-click mo dyan. So, dyan papasok kung, like here, sorry, enable. So, dito, meron mga hindi siya grayed out. So, you just have to identify kung ito ay i-enable mo. Another is, this is very important, especially if you're using FIFO, first in, first out, you have to click this one. Halimbawa, yung may mga item kayo na, particularly mga nag-change yung unit cost, of course, uunahin muna in identifying, uunahin muna yung mga first items na pinasok natin sa libro, yung very yung pinaka unang nilagay, inantihan sa libro, yun ang sinasabi ng first in, first out. So if you don't understand it yet, you can click this one, what is FIFO. This one will explain clearly ano ba ibig sabihin ng FIFO, first in, first out, and it will also give you a guidelines how to turn it on. Alright? Okay, so we have barcodes, site operations, landed cost. Those are the selections. But after you made selections, which in my case, I really click on FIFO, I click on OK. Ayan, and then click OK. So eventually, pag sinabi nito, in-OK natin yan, QuickBooks will going to update yung how do you call that, yung pinaka kumbaga yung brain or in-update na yung preference ng current QBD mo. kung ano man saan ka nag-work na Windows. So, I hope that it helps in teaching you na how where to find in updating yung QB, the inventory functionality.